Update your slow internet. Get 5G speed using new APN Settings 2025. How to set up APN. Let's see full video setup for Android.
Go to Phone Settings. Tab on SIM and Network Settings. Select your SIM card, add new APN settings. Tab on access point name. Now tab plus icon, add new APN settings. Fill this page APN settings. Number 1, tab on name. Number 2, tab on APN.
Number 5, tab on username. Server. Authentication type. PAP/CHAP.
APN type. APN protocol. IPv4/IPv6. APN roaming protocol. IPv4/IPv6. Now save your new APN settings. Select new APN after restarting your phone. Thanks watching my video. PL subscribe, like, share.